Good morning, everyone. So today we got a cruise. It's gonna be the first cruise that I've done with the actual hood vents in there. Well, it shouldn't actually it's not the first cruise with the hood vents. It's gonna be the first cruise with the seats. So let's see how well they hold me in. So we're gonna be doing a Lake Worth route. I just showed a meet up with everyone and a few shots of us doing it. But yeah, let's go and roll over. It's gonna take about 30 minutes to get there. I expect to maybe have about 6 people in total there. So yeah, let's get going. All right, everyone, we got everyone here. Got Alan, got Jason, front seat driver. Have Eric here at the C5 Z06. Jennifer is also here, and of course Jesse's there in the back. So we're doing a Lake Worth route, modified. So it's gonna be a pretty easy route, laid back, not a lot of not as aggressive as the other one. So yeah, let's go and get going. Doing good?
How about yourself? Working, I'd be love to be in my 68. Yeah, you did. With you guys. No doubt. Yeah, that sucks. I know, man. I had to work hard. Detector, from what I understand, is a radar deflector.
Oh, okay.
It does not allow you. They say if you.
Those are illegal.
Yeah, that's all right. Only if you get caught.
What's 3,500 between?
I know, right? We just need to make sure the lead car always knows that.
So cruise is over. Everyone, I thought it was just me. Everyone was fishtailing. I think it was mainly the roads or the cold roads and stuff like that, because I was calculating in my mind, hey, how much money am I about to spend on new tires, because I'm fishtailing and I thought my tires were going bad. But no, every single person was fishtailing, but it was still a great route. Everyone had a great time. If you haven't been to the channel before, please like, please subscribe. I'm gonna put Jason's channel in the link because I'm pretty sure he's got a lot better footage than me, and he also gets to see the pack. And thanks, guys.